Today we will be discussing the Oshiverse and why it's going to take us to the next level. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. If you guys have not already, go ahead and get your free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 on public, which is actually what you're looking at right now, and you'll get up to $70 with free stock that you can then sell and invest in the Shiba Inu Coin to get some free Shib with that first link in the description. Not only that, but we do have a 50% sale on our private Discord with our buy and sell alerts. So if you guys want to see what we're buying in the market, then go ahead and get signed up with the second link in the description. Join this $10 tier. This tier will be going away in about 3 or 4 days. So if you guys want to, get involved with our private Discord, get our buy and sell alerts, make sure you guys lock in this really good price for 50% off with that second link in the description. But without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So we can see here Shib is up about 1% on the day, which is really good compared to where we were at last night. We broke some support levels, but we will be discussing some more support levels that we will be seeing in today's video. And then also we're going to be going over a couple of different pieces of news that I just want to kind of go over. So make sure you guys stick around till the end of the video for that. But anyways, let's go over the first thing. And this is not new news, but I do want to go over why this is massive for Shib and why a lot of people really aren't talking about it. So Shib has teamed up with former Activision vice president to create a Shiba Inu NFT game. And we already knew this was coming. If you guys have been following us, we know this is coming. But I do kind of want to go on a deeper dive of why this is so massive for Shib, and it's going to be instrumental in getting us to that 1 cent mark that we want to get to this year. So Shiba Inu has teamed up with game creator and former vice president of technology at Activision, William David Volk, to consult on its play to earn NFT game. The game, originally dubbed the Oshiverse, will be the newest extension to the Shib ecosystem. Shitoshi Kusama, the project leader of the decentralized meme currency, provided further details on November 26th in an article titled Future Gaming is Shib. So we've already gone over this article, but I do want to go over kind of what this really means for Shib. The first thing that I do want to note, that's most important, is that this word right here, the Oshiverse. So the fact that this is so important is because Shiba Inu is going to be getting into the metaverse. So if you guys don't know, I'm extremely bullish on the metaverse with tokens such as, Mana, Gala, even Sandbox, even though I think there's too much of the supply held by 10 people. But anyways, this isn't a Sandbox roast video. This is a Shiba Inu video. But they are going to be getting into the metaverse. Now, obviously, when the game is released, it's just going to be like an app store game and a computer game. But once in a little bit, it is going to be involved with the blockchain and then become a metaverse game. So Shiba Inu is entering the metaverse, which is going to be one of the most bullish markets in the next couple of years. So who is David Volk and why does it matter that he's teaming up? So basically in 1991, Volk became the president of technology vice president of technology at Activision, formerly the most valuable gaming company in the world, until Roblox recently took over that mantle. He's a true visionary with decades of top-notch high-quality experience on the corporate side and also on the independent side, having run his own game studio as well. So this is going to be a good game. This isn't just going to be some random Shiba Inu game that's makes you jump over random objects or something. It's going to be like a legit game. They're making 2 games. It's going to be a card game such as Hearthstone, and then another kind of metaverse game like we have been talking about. And yeah, I kind of already went over why I think that this is massive. Basically, getting into the metaverse is going to be key in making our price rise, because that is what every single cryptocurrency is going to want to be doing, as well as every big company as well in the next year or so. And it looks like we should be getting into the metaverse by the end of the year. But yeah, I just wanted to discuss the Oshiverse and why I think it's so important. But anyways, let's get into our next piece of news. Shiba Inu Baby Doge witnessed a sharp rise in the number of holders. So Shiba Inu and Baby Dogecoin are currently neck to neck in the race of gaining new holders. The meme tokens experienced a sharp surge in the number of holders lately as investors jumped in on the bandwagon. At present, Shiba Inu boasts 1.14 million holders, while Baby Dogecoin holds about 1.2. Something to note about this though is that Baby Dogecoin One second here. Baby Dogecoin does have like literally 7 zeros. So literally anyone could pick up $1 and they'll have like a ton of Baby Dogecoin, and a lot of people like that. So I do want to mention that little note there, while Shiba Inu Coin only has about 4 zeros right now. So I just wanted to mention that real quick. Anyways, they are close in holders, I will say that. Apart from gaining new holders, Shib and Baby Doge are among the most talked about cryptos on Twitter. Also, recent stats show that Bitcoin, along with Shiba Inu, was only the only two top 100 ranked cryptos to appear on CoinMarketCap's most viewed list. So extremely good to see there. Obviously, Baby Dogecoin's market cap is a lot less than Shiba Inu Coin, so it's a lot easier to get holders and everything. But I mean, Baby Dogecoin is doing well, but Shib is obviously that #1 meme coin, even though I don't really think it's a meme coin. But yeah, so I just wanted to kind of go over this. But anyways, let's discuss the global crypto market. So we're sitting at about 1.99 trillion. When I made my videos about 2 days ago, those are the last videos I made, we're sitting at about 2 trillion. So we've pretty much just traded sideways. After kind of a dip last night, we have kind of recovered here. But anyways, Shiba Inu Coin has regained the 13th spot in terms of market cap, gaining it over Polygon Matic. So if we take a look here, you can see the volume is sitting at about 700 million, which is a 15% decrease, but this is the calm before the storm, guys. And it is okay because we are making a pretty good recovery today. So yeah, basically let's get into that technical analysis now. So we can see here that Shiba Inu Coin has currently broken this support. So we're gonna have to go to our new previous support at the 2650, guys. So we're gonna have this new support at the 2650. If we do break this support at the 2650, that would be pretty not beneficial to us. But something I'm kind of on the lookout for right now is this kind of downward trend we've been in. And I think if we can break above a certain level, we could be in for a treat here, kind of like what happened a couple weeks ago. But yeah, so if we can break above, one second, I am not doing this very good because I am also talking. But if we can break above basically the 2850 today, we can see a break out of this bearish trend that we have been in. And you know, when we broke this trend last time, we absolutely went from like 27 all the way to about 32, which was a massive increase. So if we can break that, I can see us getting to the resistance at about the 3250 once again. Breaking that's a different story. But we're seeing kind of what we saw on a smaller scale, what we saw this last time when we broke out of it. So hopefully we can break out of this very soon, possibly today. We are trending up on the MACD, and also the RSI is at about 52. So hopefully we can break out of this. We'll have to see what happens. But anyways, that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And also go ahead and get your free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 on Public, and you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can sell and invest into Shiba Inu Coin. And then go ahead and take advantage of our private Discord sale we're having right now. This is only going to be available for about 3 or 4 more days, guys. So if you guys have not already got in, go ahead and get in for 50% off for a limited time, only about 3 or 4 more days. You're going to get private Discord access as well as buy and sell alerts. So if you guys want to get that, go ahead and get it with the second link in the description. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.